The future trend of mobility is evolving towards autonomous driving, V2X, and electrification. To reduce accidents and save lives, ADAS systems will be a necessity in the future. Meanwhile, the demands for smart devices, networking equipment, and safe electricity storage will continue to grow. Wanshih Electronic provides various solutions for electromobility, including cable assembly for a variety of electric vehicles. Not only do we support high-speed, high-frequency transmissions and anti-interference cable assembly for ADAS systems, but we also specialize in wireless solutions such as MM-wave radars as well. Our wire harness, which connects large in-vehicle displays and various other assistance systems, are extremely reliable and durable. Wanshih's solutions for electromobility also include cables for power charging, with features such as electric insulation, high temperature resistance, and wear resistance. With over 35 years of experience in cable assembly and solutions, our self-designed automated production lines ensure top-quality products, and our cutting-edge technology guarantees safer driving. Innovating for connection. Wanshih Electronic.